Connect to the computer. Select Charge Transfer. After a successful connection, our disks will pop up on the PC. First disk, local. Second disk, TF card. Enter to the local disk. Find the file at rmvb video tool. Find Setup, click to install. After locating the video to be converted, use our video conversion tool to convert it to mravi format with dimensions smaller than 240x320 pixels. Find the conversion tool, rmvb to enter. Pass E. Start Media Player Utilities 4.45 MAVI Video Converter Enter. Pass R. Desktop Shortcut Icons Transform Enter. Find the video to be converted. Converted video storage path. Selected files. Set. Select format, MAVI, pixel, less than 240x320. Click OK to complete the setting. Click here to start the conversion. Progress bar. This indicates that the conversion is complete. Click OK, enter to preview. Copy the converted video to an MP3 device. The converted video will be playable in the MP3 device.